If you are a class 10 ICSE student, then this video is for you, where I'm going to discuss a summary of the poem The Power of Music by Sukumar Ray. This poem, it is a comical yet disastrous story of Bhishmalochan Sharma, a man whose singing is so bad that it causes chaos everywhere. At the beginning, the poet sets the mood by comparing the arrival of summer with Bhishmalochan's singing. So in India, summer brings discomfort, okay, you know that. And in the same way, Bhishma's singing brings uneasiness, okay. His voice travels far and wide from Delhi to Burma. So he sings with such determination as if his very life depended on it. He's completely unaware of the suffering he's causing. People are dazed, they are shocked, confused, okay. However, they know that his intentions are not evil. He simply loves to sing, even though the result is extremely catastrophic and disastrous. As his awful singing continues, the effects, it spread everywhere. People run in panic, trampling one another, looking pale and sick from the unbearable noise. So they plead desperately with him to stop, saying they cannot survive another note. Even strong animals are disturbed. Bullock-carts, they overturn, and horses stand still in a shock. Yet, Bhishmalochan is unconcerned and he keeps booming out his song louder and louder. The destruction, it does not stop with people and animals. Nature also reacts violently. Wild animals, they whine in distress. Fishes, they dive deep underwater trying to escape the noise. Trees shake and collapse, and their crashing sound carries for miles. Birds in the sky lose balance and they turn upside down mid-flight. People cry again, begging for mercy. Okay, but Bhishmalochan Sharma, he ignores their pleas, where even the sky welkin weep at his screech. And mighty buildings, they tumble down under the sheer impact of his voice. Finally, a savior arrives in the form of a billy goat, described as a sagacious fellow, meaning wise and sensible. So unlike the people who could only complain, the goat takes direct action. He lowers his horns and charges at Bhishmalochan Sharma, his bellow answering Bhishma's bellow. With his act, the awful strains of music are smashed and scattered. At least Bhishmalochan Sharma is silenced, and the world receives what the poet calls the golden gift of silence. A silence more precious than anything after the havoc caused by the singer. For a detailed explanation of the poem, The Power of Music, and other poems of class 9th and 10 ICSE syllabus, go to my channel Beauty of Language, like and subscribe for more updates, and for notes of the poem, visit beautyoflanguage.in.